Robotics is a common terminology often associated with artificial intelligence. We think of robotics as the science of building devices that physically interact with the environment. A machine which is capable or intelligent enough of reducing human interference in the matters which require human intelligence to solve, monitor, or act to a specific situation is termed as a robotic machine. It also provides AI, which is artificial intelligence, a body to work with so that desirable tasks can be achieved. It involves interdisciplinary approach of combining knowledge from various engineering domains like computer science, mechanical engineering, knowledge of advanced mathematical algorithms, sensor fabrication, manufacturing techniques, etc. Most of the robots existing today are inspired by our surroundings and are termed as biorobots. Robots also have several important elements which serve as the main building blocks for a robot. Some characteristics of robots are appearance. For every decision or task a human takes, we have our motor skills and speech to work towards achieving it. Similarly, robots have a mechanical body structure which helps them to implement artificial intelligence embedded in it to achieve results for certain tasks. Onboard control unit, or the brain of the robot, is a unit responsible for taking in inputs from different parts of a robot, processing it, and returning back the output. AI is a part of the control unit where the actual decision making process takes place. Sensors. These are used to make the control unit aware of the outside world. Its primary objective is to collect real world information and pass it on to the control unit. Actuators. These are devices which bring in degrees of freedom between various parts of a robot and serve as connections providing mechanical movements. For example, motors, compressors, etc. Program. Programs help robots in giving directions to achieve a goal. It is a part of the control unit which takes care of the internal processing, making rule-based decisions and passing conditional signals for functioning of tasks in the form of Boolean outputs. Behavior. It refers to the type of actions which are taken by the robot to achieve the results it is destined to. Behavior can vary on how the programming is done or for what purpose a machine is made. Limitations and scope of robotics. The complexity of a general robot is defined by the number of actuators, limbs, and sensors which are used to support the structure, which provides flexibility across degrees of freedom to a robot. Complexity is also proportional to the artificial intelligence embedded onto a robotic machine to do assigned tasks. In robotics, some advanced machines responsible for achieving outputs for complex tasks are taught to make their own decisions. While developing a robot, one thing to be kept in mind is what is the purpose and what are the limitations for a robot. All robots have certain level of scope which checks or limits the actions or decisions of a robot. Types of locomotion in robots. Robotic locomotion is a general name for various methods robots use to reach from one point to another. Some common types are walking, running, bipedal walking, rolling, metachronal motion, hopping, hybrid, swimming, slithering, and brachiating. On the right hand side you can see the famous Asimo robot, which is a good example of a walking robot. Also you can see an image of snake looking like robots which use rolling or slithering as a locomotion method. Computer vision. The science of machines to see and make judgments is called computer vision. Using computer vision technologies, machines can be made to attain a high level understanding of input data. Unlike other methods of input data, for example, textual data for natural language processing or NLP, or speech data for speech recognition, computer vision deals with digital images and videos. It is an interdisciplinary approach involving concepts of physics, mathematics, statistics, and learning theory. One problem of computer vision may be solved with a simple statistical method, but another problem may require an ensemble of machine learning algorithms. It is a study of images and videos to develop human vision capability of machines. In recent times, there has been good progress in this field. character recognition, face detection serving as some of the examples of it becoming popular of late. Some applications of computer vision are in retail segments, you might have heard about automated checkouts, 3D model building, motion capture, machine inspection, medical imaging, surveillance, optical character recognition, fingerprint recognition and biometrics, automotive safety, match move, etc.